Send your very first email in Gmail. It takes less than 60 seconds, and by the end of this video, you know exactly how to do it. Plus, a quick trick to make your emails look incredibly professional. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure you're signed into your Google account and have your Gmail app open. And look at the bottom right corner. See the big button that says Compose, with the little pencil icon? Click that, open up your message window. Let's break this window down. 2. This is where you type the email address of the person you're reaching out to. You can even add multiple people here if you need to. Subject, think of this as the title of your email. Keep it short and clear, like project update. Now for the big blank space below, the body. This is where you type your actual message. If you look down at the very bottom, you'll spot Now for that bonus tip I promised. If you ever notice a pre-written sign-off at the bottom of someone's email, that's called signature. You can actually set up your own customized signature in a Gmail setting so it automatically appears on every blank email you compose. Ever wonder how to check emails on your iPhone? Check this video now.